Hey food lovers, welcome back to Italian Cuisine Culinary Academy. Today we are keeping it simple, spicy and oh so delicious with a classic pasta dish. Spaghetti Aglio e Olio e peperoncino. A handful of ingredients, a dash of heat and boom! You've got yourself a meal that blow your taste buds away faster than you can say peperoncino. Let's get into it. We've got our star of the show, spaghetti, the long thin beauties that everyone loves. Next, we have a garlic, nature's perfume, or maybe repellent if you don't brush your teeth. Olio, good all extra virgin olive oil, which trust me should be the kind that makes your wallet cry a little. And finally, the one that brings that heat, peperoncino. That's right, folks. The little spicy devil that turns dish from the meh to mamma mia. Now let's talk about this bad boy, peperoncino. Why use it? Well, first of all, it's got this fiery personality that will give your dish a punch without turning it into a crime scene for our taste buds. It's like a flavorful slap on the wrist, not a punch to the face. Plus, it's the perfect excuse to practice your just the right amount of spice skills, so you don't end up setting up the smoke alarms with your taste buds. Alright, enough chit chat. Let's get cooking. First things first. Spaghetti goes into a pot of boiling salted water. Make sure it's salty enough to taste like a Mediterranean, otherwise your pasta will be as bland as, let's just say, don't be the person who forgot the salt. While the spaghetti is doing its thing, we move to the sauce. If you can even call it that. Heat up your olive oil. You want just enough to coat the pasta, but not so much that it looks like a scene from Oil Spill 2, The Revenge. Next up, we are adding the garlic. Sliced nice and thin, like you're trying to impress an Italian grandma. You don't want to burn it, keep it golden. Because burnt garlic tastes like you drop a match in there, not coal. Now, in goes the peperoncino. Here's the thing, the amount of heat is up to you. Want to feel like a dragon? Go nuts! Prefer a light tingle on your tongue? Maybe keep it in the milder side. Either way, the heat from the peperoncino is going to infuse the oil and give it a spicy kick without overpowering the whole dish. It's like adding a little sauce to your spaghetti. Once your garlic is perfect and your peperoncino is spicy oil, get it all coated. Like you're giving each strand a little olive oil spa treatment. Trust me, they deserve it after boiling away. And also, I've got one special hint. If you boil the spaghetti, make sure you boil it about 1 or 2 minutes less than it says on the label. Because my spaghetti says 7 minutes and I boil it like 5 or 6 minutes to get it al dente. And also don't forget that we are gonna to boil it 1 another minute in the pan, so don't get it overcooked. Before we wrap it up, we can throw it some fresh parsley because we are fancy like that, and maybe a little sprinkle of parmesan if you are feeling rebellious, but I don't do that. Some people will tell you no cheese with the pasta, but hey, I'm not here to start a war, you do. And there you have it, folks. Spaghetti aglio and olio e peperoncino. A dish that's so quick by the time you say its name 3 times fast, dinner's ready. Let's give it a try. Oh yeah. The garlic, the oil and the spicy little kick from the peperoncino. It's like a flavor party in my mouth and everyone's invited. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you like this recipe, hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comment how much peperoncino you dared to use. And remember, in the kitchen, simplicity doesn't mean boring, it means bold. Until next time, keep cooking, stay spicy, and as always, ciao ciao!